The film, The First Day, is the story of Chris Herron, who's a former professional basketball player who struggled with addiction. He speaks to students across the country about his issues with drugs and alcohol and his issues with self-confidence and mental wellness that led him into using. And the film really speaks to the issues that schools and communities are dealing with students in particular in regards to substance use and harmful behaviors and mental wellness, and talks about what can be done to make healthier decisions and avoid using substances and ultimately addiction.
My reaction was that, yeah, it was hard, but sometimes hearing stuff that's hard like that is necessary to prevent having more instances like that appear in the future. And I also have known more about this Chris Herron and his story and how much it really is impactful to students everywhere.
I definitely feel like drugs can really ruin your life, and I would do anything just to change someone and make them feel better about themselves and not worry so much.
The film perfectly aligns with the message of Red Ribbon Week, and we want to encourage schools to do viewings of this film. It has a very strong impact on students, that's why it was chosen, and it aligns perfectly with the message of the things that we can do to avoid substance use. It's not just making the choice not to pick up something, it's making the choice to talk to an adult if you're having issues, to deal with the mental wellness issues that arise for teens and young people, and all of the things that we're promoting during Red Ribbon Week.